Morning guys, it's just after 6 a.m. and I'm about to leave the boat. I've only done this once before since buying it, and left the boat at anchor. It wasn't a very comfortable situation, so I'm feeling a bit bitter about it now. We're in the marina. Jamie and you two are going to take care of the boat, take care of the dog, so I'm really relaxed about the boat. But the big question is how I'm going to get back into Panama, whether I have to sail or fly, or, as you know, it's full lockdown at the moment, so quite a bit going through my head, but I made the decision to go, so it's happening.
I guess I owe you an explanation about why I'm leaving Parlay.
Cheers, brother.
Right when we were about to start doing the repairs.
See you in 6 weeks.
Hurricane Irma boats tossed. Here we are at this marina.
Hi, my name's Colin. I used to be a chief engineer on Superyachts, but gave it all up to buy a hurricane-damaged Lagoon 450. My friends and I are fixing it up as we go, and are determined to circumnavigate the entire planet. So subscribe if you want some inspiration to live life to the fullest. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the things you did. So what are you waiting for?
Food, shared food with Steve. So we made it to the airport and it's dead. Nobody here, obviously. This is kind of creepy.
Well, between the lightning strike and the cracked bulkheads, the repairs were estimated to be around $30,000.
This is so crazy. We're just about to, well, I'm just about to check in, but there's no music, there's no noise. It's just like spooky. When do you ever see an airport like this?
Mister, you will check in any back today?
Yes.
After seeing the disasters unfold, so many of you offered to send donations or try help me out. But you'll remember that I kindly refused to put my hand out and said that if need be, I would go back to work and earn the money myself. Well, that time has come.
Should be leaving in about half an hour.
I've had a job offer that I would be silly to turn down, which will enable me to earn some good money on a super yacht, but still be able to fix Parlay in time to head across the Pacific early next year before the next wet season starts in Panama. It was such a hard decision to leave the boat, my girlfriend, my dogs, and the crew behind in the middle of a pandemic. But I was raised to never rely on others and have always supported myself, and even though owning a hurricane-damaged yacht is a huge undertaking, I've known that if I need to, I always have the super yacht industry to fall back on when I need it, which I am extremely grateful for. The ultimate goal is to one day earn enough money on YouTube and Patreon to be able to hang up my super yacht engineering epaulets, but we are not quite there yet, so it's back to work for me. But luckily I have my trusty crew to hold down the fort.
Hey guys, so Colin is gonna be gone for a couple of months, so we're gonna spend some month having fun, doing some things that we're not allowed.
Yeah, we can just do whatever we want now.
So follow our adventures without the captain.
So today we're heading about half an hour right around the point to a nice beach break, and it's unreal there as well. Like the scenery is incredible, so we'll take you along for the ride. We've never actually done this before, really, fish out of the dinghy, but we have to go a long way and it looks really good fishing, so we just decided to bring the hand line.
You're gonna get lunch, Jamie?
I hope so.
One is seasick, the other one's got a numb foot. We're like 15 minutes into the ride, we're going probably 1 knot.
We're used to the high seas.
How is the fish?
No fish, no fish. Look at this, guys, paradise. Little hidden beach around the corner. Colin's hard at work and we're just living the dream. The weather turned out good.
Yeah, beautiful.
Because there's no wind in the way. We're going to take the video because this is sick. Welcome to paradise, you reckon? Look at this, guys. Paradise. 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 It's raining like crazy in it. And that's about it. It's a little bit choppy, like we're not in danger or anything. It's just the rain is really chilly now that the freeze has come with this storm that's fast.
Jamie's freezing to death in tropical paradise. Look at it. Look at the goosebumps. Look at the goosebumps. He looks like a duck. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
Alright, we're gonna do the corona test now.
The first nose.
Oh, fuck. Oh,
Uncomfortable.
it's painful. Oh.
Open your mouth and say ah.
She's rough. Oh man, my eyes are watering. That was way sorer than it probably looked. The thing went about this high into my nose.
Sticky,
Oh,
sticky.
have you done one before?
No.
Oh, how far up did it go? Like that far?
Up to the brain.
Hi guys, I'm here in the room. It's the first night. I'm gonna sleep without Colin. This month and a half without Colin is gonna be hard because I got so used to sleep with him. So I'm planning to do that, I'm planning to do yoga, I'm planning to meditate, I'm planning to scuba dive, and hopefully if Aranova let us to surf as well. Good night.
I've made it. I'm stoked. I'm here. I'm in this hotel room. I'm not allowed to leave this hotel room now for 7 days. I don't think I've ever been stuck in a room for 7 days before, so see if I go crazy or not. But I got lots to do. I can do lots of editing and stuff. I bought hard drives with me, bought my laptop. I can keep busy, that's for sure.
I'm waiting for the solar panels to catch all this board bag first.
Catch fire.
Yeah. This is usually Colin's job, so if the boat burns down, we don't get in trouble.
Is it al dente?
So we've had the barbecue, we cooked it, everything was good. And now Colin's not here, so we're not going to worry about the dishes, we're not going to worry about anything because he's not here. He won't
stop us.
Yeah, he can't stop us from doing anything. We have all the kids over, we have everybody else.
Yeah.
And then
Dogs, look,
we got
random
the
dogs.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday. I don't have to work. Jamie is working on the boat, Philo is editing, so I thought it was a good chance to clean a little bit the roofs of the boat because lately with the rain and stuff, it's humidity, it's lighting season and everything's getting moldy.
Morning guys, so today is my last day in quarantine. I've had 7 days in the hotel room here.
I don't think I've ever done 7 days in one room. It's been a little bit weird, but I've made the most of my time. I've done a lot of editing, doing a bit of working out and stuff, just keeping myself sane. But I haven't had any human interactions for 7 days. Even to try my uniform on, they would come and they'd drop the uniform outside my hotel room and then knock on the door and then run away. And then I would open the door, take the uniform, try it. And then they needed some adjustments, so I'd write down the adjustments, leave them outside the door. Someone would come pick them up and take them away. So that's how seriously they're taking this self-isolation thing. Today there's going to be a doctor to come and do another COVID test, and 24 hours I'll be hopefully negative, and then I'll be going onto the boat and then the work begins. So it's my last day, so I'm just going to chill out, do some more editing, and then do this COVID test. Hey guys, so now that I'm away, I'm not going to be able to film as much while I'm working on the Superyacht. So I've asked Jamie to step up his game with his vlogging and talking to you guys. So let's see how he does.
Hey guys, so it's absolutely paradise here, but we'd just like to take a moment to thank all you supporters out there. If it wasn't for you guys, we would never be able to come to a place like this. So yeah, if you like this episode, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, become a Patreon, buy a bit of merchandise. All the links are below in the episode. So yeah guys, thank you. We're really grateful for everything you do for us. Cheers.